Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to browse the internet securely on public Wi-Fi. So make sure you will just have the instructions when you just connected the public Wi-Fi. So make sure you will just use a VPN, encrypted your connection and hides your data from hackers. So you will be any of VPN you will just download from the App Store, or if you have Android phone, so you will just download from the Play Store. So right now I will be just download this super unlimited proxy and it will be just connected. I will just show you, and this is very helpful for this. And here you will see my VPN is connected. So because unable for ensure website use HTTPS for secure communication, and make sure you just turn it off your sharing, like disable Wi-Fi sharing or AirDrop and Bluetooth. So I will be just show you my all the things are off, only Wi-Fi gets on. So please don't forget these network settings while using to securely internet on public Wi-Fi. So that's it. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.